Hello, it's Shenell here from Angelic Interior Designs. I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful floral arrangement. Really simple. Just a few things you would need. I'm using some real magnolia leaves here that I got from a neighbor while they were pruning their tree. And I'm going to add some Mod Podge to it as well and let that dry. You will need a vase. And I'm not going to use floral foam in this particular flower arrangement because I don't want to damage my vase. So I'm just going to loosely lay them inside of the vase. And I will just let you continue to watch the video in its entirety. It is not very long, so please watch the entire video. Thank you. This has been Shenell here from Angelic Interior Designs, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.
We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just now.